Hi, dear children, good evening. How have you been today? All are fine? Okay, children, today we are going to read some words. Are you ready? Okay, we are going to read some word with sound a. Okay, the first one that is hand. So, h, a, n, d, hand. Hand. Okay, this is the picture of a hand. And let's go the second one. The second one, this is the picture of clam. So, cl, a, clam. This is the picture of a clam. Okay, let's go the next one. The next one, that is stab. So, the first sound, that is t, a, and b. Stab. Stab. Okay. And the next picture, that is lamp. This is the picture of a lamp. So, l, a, p, lamp. Okay. This is lamp. And the next one, that is pram. This is the picture pram. So, the first sound, that is pr, a, pram. All of you read with me. This is pram. And the next one, children, we know that this is the picture of a clap. So, the first sound, that is cl, a, p, clap. Okay. Thank you, children. See you.